I,
state your name,
Juan Alfonso Lim,
of Medellin, Cebu,
Medellin, Cebu,
having assumed
to the position
of Vice Mayor of Medellin, Cebu,
of Vice Mayor of Medellin, Cebu,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
the duties of my present position
the duties of my present position,
and of all others
and of all others
I may hereafter hold
I may hereafter hold
under the Republic of the Philippines,
under the Republic of the Philippines,
that I will support
that I will support
and defend
and defend
the Constitution of the Philippines,
the Constitution of the Philippines,
bear true faith and allegiance to the same,
bear true faith and allegiance to the same,
that I will obey the laws,
that I will obey the laws,
legal orders,
legal orders,
and decrees promulgated
and decrees promulgated
by the duly constituted authorities
by the duly constituted authorities
of the Republic of the Philippines,
of the Republic of the Philippines,
and that I impose this obligation
that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily,
upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Finally, a full-fledged Vice Mayor.